Hello friends, welcome back. Today we're going to do an exercise called Falsy Bouncer. So we want to remove all falsy values from an array. Falsy values in JavaScript are false, null, zero, an empty string, undefined, and nan. Try converting each value to a Boolean. Remember to use read, search, ask if you get stuck. And so here we're passing in an array. It looks like this is a truthy value, falsy value, and then a truthy value. So instead of returning the array, let's just return a result. And that's going to be equal to an empty array. And then we'll return the result. And then let's console log this so we can see what we're working with. Okay, so we're returning a result. So what we want to go is array. We want to say for, let's let I equal 0. I is less than array.length. I plus equals 1. And then we're going to say if array at position I, then we want to add that to the result, the array at position I. And now, yeah, it looks like we're skipping out on the falsy values. So let's say let's extract array at I just to make it a little bit easier. Individual value. So we're going to say let individual value equal to array at position I. And then let's console.log individual value. So here we're going through with each of these elements, right? We've got 7, and then we've got 8, and then we have an empty string, which shows up here as just a blank spot here, and then false and 9. So if the individual value is equal to true, then we're going to add it to the array. Oh, if it's truthy. So yeah, yeah, I don't know exactly how to say that. Just in that, if you say, what's a way to describe it? If you were to console.log, yeah, I mean, that's just the kind of the truthy way. This is just the way that you define truthy. We're going through and we're pushing all the values that render out to truthy. You can't say individual value is equal to true because then we won't actually get anything in our array because there is no true in here. If you just did 2 equals, I don't think it would work either. See, yeah, so what we have to do is just ask if it's truthy. And so elements like this render out to true, whereas elements like this and this render out to false, and that's how we get the results. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this one. I've just extracted this. Obviously, you could, you don't need to extract out the individual value. You could leave it like that. And yeah, I think that this is a pretty good way to do this project. So hope you guys enjoyed this one. We'll see you in the next lesson.